Hey guys, Jarod down here.
Adrian from Redwater Dodge, guys. With month of August, we just got new programs on our Jeep Grand Cherokees.
Stellantis and other dealers are going to be doing $2,500 off on their Altitudes and $3,000 off on their Limiteds, guys.
While every other dealer is doing $2,500 off their Laredos and the entry levels and all that stuff, and I think they're doing like $5,500 or something like that. But that doesn't matter, guys.
For us, we always want to be the best and the biggest, so we are going to be doing $6,500 off on all Altitudes and $7,000 off on our Limiteds.
We got up to $7,000 off of our Grand Cherokees, like the limited, this special one behind me here. That's actually an 85th anniversary, wicked one. With that, guys, we do have an option of 0% financing over 60 months.
Alternatively, we can also get you guys on interest rates as low as 0% for up to 60 months on approved credit without the discount.
And you also do qualify, well, I guess you should know, if you currently have a Jeep registered in the household, you do qualify for a Jeep loyalty program, which is an additional $1,850 before tax rebate.
The $1,850 after tax Jeep loyalty discount if you apply, guys. So
give us a call to see if you do qualify for that additional program. And again, with a big discount like the $7 grand off or 0% is awesome value on any way you go with these things, guys.
If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.